So I'm going to come to my favorite part, okay?
Yes,
So
yes.
this is my favorite part.
Mhm.
It is where I extract as much information as I can, and
Okay.
this is called your tips. So I want a few of your tips, okay?
बिल्कुल.
So what are your tips to keep yourself motivated?
Two things. Look at people who inspire you. They should be zero tolerance for negativity. तीसरी चीज जो सबसे बड़ी चीज है, अपने आप you need to just keep telling yourself that you are capable of delivering whatever is coming your way. Just upgrade yourself. You're not playing a small game. You're up for a bigger game. The universe is conspiring to make you do really well. So uplift yourself. अपने आप को mirror में देख कर बोलना कि you're good, brother. You're good, and you're gonna do it. So once you do that, no, and there's a lot of there's a lot of happiness there, saying that yes, I'm able to do this. I'm gonna do this. You know, when I did my first virtual event, it was a very complicated event because technology बहुत जिस event manager ने भी जो भी किया था, he gave me headphones and there was throwback coming from my laptop, and I couldn't hear. Yeah, so it was so difficult. I couldn't do it, and my ears were paining, and I was, I'm assuming what she is saying and I'm answering to that. So I can't hear it. But what I told was, yeah, you're A.K. Rahman. You're supposed to carry this event like the best. That's why you're here. So दुनिया जाए भाड़ में, earplug not working, no problem. If they are not listening to me or if they are saying that यार कुछ उल्टा हो गया, technology wise मेरा screen चला गया, that's all right. You are here to deliver.
Correct.
And that is non-negotiable. So when that is the case, you have to do it. There's no way out. So I think once you start upgrading yourself, saying that, yeah, you're up there for a bigger game. And your competition is not anybody there or there. Your competition is you. आप अपने आप से compete कर रहे हैं. And you need to upgrade the game. It's going to automatically cheer you up and say, हाँ यार, let's do this.
I love that. I love that. And your competition is with you. And tell me your tip for fitness.
Fitness, this is something which I learned from Suman Chelani. Thank you very much. I am very lazy when it comes to fitness, but lockdown has taught me. Thank you, Suman. Thank you very much. You know, lockdown has taught me that you need to be fit because you have a better body, you have a good body. You look at yourself and say, "Hi, yaar, ye banda thoda handsome hai, yaar. You're good." And the feeling. Every morning, what I do is I get up. I have my neembu ka pani and apple cider vinegar, and uske saath I do a little bit of jumpings and all that, and then basically I walk up the stairs, 12 floors up and down, and then your stomach is tight, and then you have to keep having hot water, and then basically you need to do at least 45 minutes of cardio, which helps you, and then basic push-ups, and then it makes you feel good. You know, the lethargic negative vibes just vanish, and then you're looking forward to do things.
Your body works it. Yeah, that's very, very important. Biochemistry, when it changes, you can shift your entire mental state. So now I'm coming to the next question. Your tips to overcome anxiety, because I'm sure in the lockdown, there may have been quite a few anxious moments that you have faced.
Oh,
so your tips, so how did you overcome it?
4 shows गए, उसके साथ साथ ideas गए. Everybody, भाई सुनना तेरे को मतलब what do you think can be done यार? तू बता ना ये चीज कैसे कर सकते हैं? Everybody is hungry for ideas. And when you have somebody who's giving so many ideas, they say, wow यार ये अच्छा है यार. अच्छा सुनना ये कैसे करें? They'll take this and then things don't happen the way it should happen.
Correct.
It does give you a little bit of nervousness, a little bit of anxiety, a little bit of sadness. You're down. But then you say that ये idea भी तो मैंने ही दिया था ना.
Correct.
You know, I can come up with so much more. Come on. I mean, you're supposed to be a content creator. You're supposed to get a lot of freshness. You're supposed to come up with new things. I mean, flowing water is what makes you keep fresh. आप बहते जाओ, कोई रोक नहीं सकता. 100 लोग आएंगे, they'll put their hand, अपने हिस्से का ले लेंगे, but हमें तो बहते जाना है. We need to keep going on and on. So nobody is going to stop you. So what happens is, I stop, थोड़ा दुख हो, थोड़ा आंसू आ जाते हैं, थोड़े feeling हो जाते हैं. That's all right. So what we do is, just do a little green tea पी लो, या अपने मस्ती कर लो, दोस्तों से बात कर लो, get yourself a little क्या बोलते हैं, वो बोलते हैं ना, unwinding feeling ले लेना. and then
Correct.
get ready for another battle. Your next battle के लिए आप तैयार हो जाइए. See, I come up with so many new ideas. I just unwind and get ready for battle next. And I try to come up with fresher ideas because I know
Nice.
if I'm good, I'm going to be hired. If I'm
Lovely.
good, people will call me because
Correct.
quality comes at a certain rate, and
Correct.
people will pay for your talent. So
I agree.
mediocrity hai bahut charon taraf hai, and that's the way it is. But then if you need to be like Gunjan says, if you're good, people will pay your price. That's how it is. So that's what
I
got me
totally
in
love
that.
that. They say that net worth is your network.
Mhm.
And
Absolutely.
you are one of the best networkers I know. And I'm not saying networker in a very networking way, okay? I'm saying networker in a very, I'm actually, I look up to how you network. You don't network with a selfish motive. You network with just for sheer love of people. So really want to ask you, what are your tips for networking?
What you mentioned is like bang on point. Your network is your net worth. It's so true because the more you're connected with people, see, you need to be selfless. The time you start networking for a reason, then it becomes networking for that reason. But when you start networking because you have to be connected, see, I am in touch with a whole lot of people from across the industry, not just Hamari industry, but from the television industry, from the media industry, from the events industry, from pharmaceutical industry as well. But the reason I do it is because I want to be connected. There's this element of love, positivity. When lockdown happened, when COVID-19 started peaking up,
Correct.
people started going into a sense of confusion कि boss अभी क्या करेंगे, like the world is crumpled, and but the way you get in touch with people when you network, you never know who's gonna give you that element, that iota of positivity. आपको काम से ज्यादा काम तो आना ही है, काम by default आएगा, but there are very few people, because sometimes I feel the world is so superficial कि हम जो दिखाते हैं वो अलग है and जो है वो अलग है. Everybody is camouflaging. हर एक के चेहरे पे मखोटा है. But then when you keep interacting, when you keep networking, you have a buffet of people all around.
Correct.
And one word from somebody can uplift you. I've seen this, and I'm giving an example of you. I'm giving an example of Suman as well, and I'm giving an example of maybe a Rima, of Jimmy sir, Roshan Abbas. These are the guys who can touch you with a Midas touch. They'll just touch you and say, dude, you're meant for something alag level ka. So calm aayega, but then you should be in a way where you actually are saying, listen, my network is people who are great guys around. Just looking at that, that's going to get me into that space of positivity. I look at you, I feel, one day I told this to somebody, how can Sushma be so excited every time? I mean, how in the world is she so happy every time? So, and then I told myself, yeah, that's how we all should be. I mean, that's how we all should be. Problems to kiski life mein nahi hai. Everybody has problems. We all have ups and downs. But then this is one character which is going to uplift us. When every time I speak with Roshan, Roshan Abbas always says, "Bhai, tere mein hai yaar." I mean, even if I've screwed up his event, I've never done that. I've never done an event, screwed up an event for a long time. But even if I've done a mistake, he comes and says, "Bhai, you have it in you."
Correct.
So these are the guys who are your actual pearls. You look around, you've got stars around, and unki glitter mein, unke shining mein, aap shine ho rahe ho. This network is going to uplift you. So I'm so proud to have so many people around me.